Hey everyone, welcome to Law Simple and Pure. In today's lecture, we are going to learn what is void contract. Lots of time students are confused between a void contract, voidable contract and void ab initio contract. So in today's quick lecture, we are going to learn what is void contract as per the Indian Contract Act. Section 2J defines void contract as an agreement not enforceable by law is said to be void. So when that agreement is not enforceable by law or it stops being enforced by law, then that agreement becomes void. Void contract is a contract which ceases, means stops, to be enforceable by law. A contract when originally entered into may be valid, okay? So originally the contract may be valid and binding on the parties. It may subsequently become void. For example, there is a contract between two citizens of India and Pakistan, okay? They are the private parties and they enter into a contract, and in between war breaks out between these two countries, okay? The moment war breaks out, the contract between these two citizens becomes void. Second example, there is a contract between two merchants for providing liquor in a specific area, and a new law comes which bans selling of liquor in that area. Then this contract becomes void. So initially it was valid, it was there, but subsequently it becomes void because a new law comes into a picture. So this is an example of void contract. An agreement which is not enforceable by law is called as a void contract by section 2J of the Indian Contract Act. So that's it about void contract. Stay tuned till my next lecture on void ab initio contract. Till then, goodbye and good luck.